And once you mark the entire leg, you need to extend these lines. So once you extend these lines, what it really means is that in order for the banks to get the price at a discounted rate, they started the journey right here. And then the price from 100 rupees became 110, 120, and 130. So the banks now won't buy anywhere around 130 because the price is overpriced. So they need the price to get back to the levels where it was trading at 100. So we marked this particular leg because usually market goes in the opposite direction before going in its own direction. So we marked this leg and extended the line. So now we need to wait for the price to come back to these levels. Okay, so once we get the price exactly to the levels where we wanted it to be, then we are going to enter short around these areas and then keep the stop loss below the recent swing, which is right here. And then you can take your take profit at 1:2 ratio. All right, so now we see that we got a pretty good entry where we saw the consolidation zone and then the price went in its direction, and then we waited for the price exactly to come around the discounted areas again so that we can make our entry and then follow the banking strategy and make a risk and reward of 1:2.